Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to redeem American Express gift card on Amazon. If you have also bought an Amex gift card, in this video let me show you how you can easily redeem it within your Amazon app. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end and let's get straight into it. Open up your Amazon app. From the Amazon app, tap on the human icon on the bottom. Once you're inside of this section, you can see on the top an option called your account. So just tap on this option. From this section you can see tons of results. You just need to scroll down. Under payments, you'll see an option called your payments. You'll need to add in your Amex gift card as a payment method on Amazon to redeem it. If you add it as a gift card on Amazon, it would not work. So just tap on the your payments option. Tap on add a payment method. Tap on add a credit or debit card and type in the details of your card, and you can just tap on add and continue. Once you do that, the gift card will be added as a payment method on Amazon and you can use the gift card amount to purchase other products. So that is the way that you can redeem your American Express gift card on your Amazon. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.